Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these delicious beef samosas. For the fillings, in a heated pan, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and ginger paste and saute it for around 2 minutes. And then add your beef. We are going to cook it until all the water in the beef is finished. Then we will add our red onions and spring onions and cook them until they are translucent. Then add your spices. I added paprika, cumin, curry powder, black pepper, and you can also go in with any spices you like. And then add coriander. And salt to taste. I also added 1 green chili for some spice. If you don't like spice in your samosas, you can skip this part. Then cook it until it's ready and all the water has finished. You'll set it aside to cool. In a bowl, let's start making the samosa pockets. You're going to add 2 cups of flour, salt to taste, and then you mix up. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and mix. Then I am going to use warm water to make a soft dough. Add little by little as you need it. Until it becomes a soft dough. This process is going to take you around 5 to 7 minutes depending on the amount of your flour. Once the dough is ready, you're going to roll it and cut it into equal parts. And then you're going to make them into round balls, round equal balls. From the balls, you're going to roll them into small circles, and then you're going to stack them up together. You will apply oil on one side and sprinkle some flour. Then you're going to take another piece of the dough and put it on top. Then you're going to repeat the process for all the other pieces. Using my hand, I am going to roll it out, and then I'm going to use my rolling pin to roll it out as much as I can. And then in a heated pan, I am going to heat them, turning from side to side, but making sure that they do not have brown patches like in chapatis. As I'm going to be heating them, they're going to stick out of each other. Then I will use a lid to cut out the excess part so that I remain with round pieces. As you can see, my pockets are ready. Then we'll cut them into halves, then into quarters. Go ahead and make a paste using water and flour. And beat it until it is soft and has no lumps. Here I am showing you how you are going to fold the wrappers. And then use the paste and apply on one side and then fold the other side. Make sure that the corners of the samosas have been completely covered. Then go ahead and fill in your pockets with the beef. Also ensure that you do not overfill your pockets, and then fold it. Fold it nicely and make sure the corners are completely closed. And then you are going to repeat this process with all the other samosas. And then in hot oil, you're going to deep fry your samosas until they are golden brown. As you can see, our samosas are ready and are looking beautiful and yummy. That's it for today, guys. Go ahead and try this recipe and comment down below how you find it. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Share, like, comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.